Hi guys! Kumain kami ng family ko sa shabu-shabu. Ito ang in-order namin. Seafoods, guys. Ayan. Ayan si Laupan. My husband. May delicious na. Ayan, guys. Let's eat, guys. Mapapasabak na naman ang kanin. Thank you. Ay, what do you mean? What are you? You order what? You order what, what flavor? You order what shabu-shabu? You order what? Seafoods? Beef? Beef? Oh. You order the beef one. Like that. It's very expensive. 215 NT. Thank you, guys.